get this cab stuck on that water cart. Dodge front that goes with the body. Listen to that thing purr. Oh, don't need to see. Right. We've given the workshop a bit of a tidy up. Oh, hang on. Move too fast. We've given the old workshop a bit of a tidy up. I can talk quicker though. Yeah. Given the workshop a bit of a tidy up. We're going to bring the old 40 Buick back in here. With luck.
Is it how good?
Hope so. Listen to that thing purr.
Oh, good foot. Oh, yeah. Do it.
Yeah, thanks for watching. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up, consider subscribing. Costs you nothing, helps us out, helps the store out, and we really appreciate it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Take it easy, mate.
Hey, that's good. You might see one. I got,
Can't see a fucking thing.
no.
So we're heading in the right direction, aren't we?
Yeah. I wasn't doing this one.
So straight in pretty much.
Yeah. Just turn a little bit this way.
Hopefully we go again.
dark in here, isn't it?
Yeah. The whole camera got dark and fogged up. Got it really well.
Oh, you know it should be right. You know it's right.
Nothing else fucking going. She's a little sweetheart, Liz.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it a fucking birthday. Tomorrow, clean it up, re-rip over the rust.
Yeah.
It should have dried out with a bit of luck.
Don't think I got you much because they press it and it won't work, and I press it again.
Right, we're getting our shed sorted out here a bit. Cleaning it up after our trip to the beach hop. Our 7-month build of the 52 car went mint. One little problem with the filter. Other than that, she was sweet as. So there's still a few little things to do to it. But for now, that's us. So we're back on our 40 Buick. I made all the boot and that, and we're gonna start putting the boot in it. We've done this side wheel tub. Still got a few little holes to weld up. We've got to rebuild all these back windows, which I think I'm gonna start doing first. After we weld the floor in and get this back sitting on it straight. The roof's pretty much nice. The doors aren't too bad. The floor pans aren't too bad. So other than the front guards, I don't think it's going to be too hard to get the main body structure finished. There's a lot of work in this back window and the boot. But once we get through that, we'll be looking pretty good, I think. And I've got some other better doors, I think. If one of these doors are a bit had it. Front guards are going to be a big mission. But while we're doing that, it's the old 38 Buick. I'm just going to give that a polish up. And we'll keep driving that around. So we've got one more drag meeting, which the deliverance isn't going to make it to, I wouldn't think. And we're going to give it a big birthday. We're going to pull this motor. We're going to lift it and move it back and change the diff angle. We want to get the motor right back. We might change the steering a bit. We're going to take this front off, which is a shed front, and we're going to put the Dodge front that goes with the body on it. We need to put the correct manifold on it for the Vortex heads. We need to fix the headers up. We need to stop the axle tramp, so we might make some ladder bars for it. Fix the springs up. We'll get the front up, back down, motor back, and hopefully next year will be a lot more competitive. We sort of made it, slapped it together, ready for our dirt drags, thrashed it for a few seasons. We've got the motor going a bit better, but it still needs a bit of work as far as manifold, extractors. Might put electric fan in. I've even got an electric water pump. Yeah, just fine tune everything and finish off the bodywork. I didn't quite get finished. I think it's going to look way better if we lean that Dodge grill back in there. I think we'll still use the same mounting idea as the conrods, and we'll just lean that back and change the light angle, and yeah, it should be pretty cool, I think. Our next mission on our 4 months off from the dirt drags is to rebuild the water truck. To put this old intercab, I'm hoping, onto our Mitzi water cart. We're going to have to tidy up around the roof a little bit here, and the basic structure of this is pretty good. It's got a good seat in it, good floors, we're going to, like, the doors shut and mint. They shut beauty. So we're going to have to do the bottoms of the doors, a bit around these doors and these corner panels. But the plan is to put a cut in here somewhere and make it a tilt front. And we're going to weld, this bonnet needs repair, but we're going to weld that bonnet to the front panel and try to fit this on our Mitzi. So this cab is just about, like, she's probably too far gone for restoration, but as far as our water truck is concerned, I think we can tidy it up enough that it'll do another turn for a few years and make our water cart look cool. Like, the windows wind up, the doors are beautiful. It's got a lot of good points, a few bad ones. Cab corners need doing. Running boards, I had it, but we've got to make running boards we can step out of the cab and walk to the back to turn our water on. So yeah, this is our plan in our 4 months off season, is to try and get this cab stuck on that water cart. She's had a dink with the digger, but if it works out, we can always find a new light, and we can straighten all that out and lighten it up and make it a tilt front.